What if you could truly witness the world's most peaceful daily transformation? The first light gently kisses the horizon, painting the sky with soft hues. This isn't just a new day, it's nature's quiet promise, revealing fresh opportunities. Don't you want to embrace this breathtaking spectacle, igniting your own potential? 99% of people miss the hidden world thriving high above them. Sunlight streams, transforming the forest canopy into a vibrant mosaic of life. You're witnessing nature's intricate dance, where every leaf plays a vital role. Discover this incredible ecosystem. Doesn't it inspire you to look up more often? Witness pure joy and incredible skill in motion. This river otter's swift dive and masterful catch reveals its unmatched aquatic agility. You're observing a true wild athlete, perfectly adapted to its environment. Don't you want to protect these playful predators and their vital river homes? Have you ever seen such vibrant energy concentrated in one tiny creature? Watch as a hummingbird expertly sips nectar, its wings a blur of motion. It's a vital pollinator, sustaining countless plant species. Isn't it incredible how such a small being can play such a massive role? What if you could capture a moment of pure, unspoiled majesty? The sun dips below the mountains, painting the sky in fiery hues,